The time now, it's 10 o'clock on this Thursday night, January 23rd, 2014. On a Thursday night, it's time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins. The late night report. Thursday night, January 23rd, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 10 o'clock in North Massachusetts got a temperature 12 degrees with a humidity 48%. Wind speed was about 7 miles per barometer, 3.16 inches. Dew point about 4 degrees below zero. Would have got a visibility about 10 miles and a wind chill about 1 below. No, 1 and above. Alright, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows line of snow showers off the Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts coastline, and the line of snow showers off the Long Island, and the line of snow showers in east central portions of Pennsylvania and northeastern portions of Pennsylvania down in southern New York. Back to snow showers in west central Pennsylvania down for western Pennsylvania down for northeastern Ohio and Cleveland. Back to the snow showers in southwestern portions of Michigan, and then back to snow showers in the Lake Superior between North and UP Michigan and southern Ontario. Line of snow showers in central and east coastal Nova Scotia. Back to the snow showers in western and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island. And got a snow showers in snow and sleet pelts in northern North Dakota, and snow showers stretching in northern Minnesota and southern Manitoba and southwestern portions of Ontario here. And this is snow showers in northeastern Texas and northern Louisiana and in non-food central portions of Mississippi down from west central portions of Alabama. Some sleet pelts around Jackson, Mississippi, sleet pelts in west central Louisiana down for central portions of south central portions of Texas and non-food, Austin and San Antonio, and it's rain showers from northern eastern Mexico down for southeastern portions of Texas, from Corpus Christi down for Houston, and down to southwestern portions of Louisiana, and rain showers off the southeastern Louisiana coast off New Orleans there, and off the Gulf states there.
Winds aren't going to be the most powerful we've seen, only gusting about 20 miles per hour. Your temperatures are going to be near zero, below zero to begin with.
A lot of snow and sleet pelts in eastern mountains of California down from western portions of Nevada, and a lot of snow showers in the I-25 corridor from Fort Collins down to Denver, down to Colorado Springs and Pueblo and Denver in Colorado. Where?
A week after it was discovered.
Rain in Mexico. Good evening. 10 degrees with overcast skies. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop, and it shows
the daughter's name was on that kill list. Also, why it took so long for the school to reach out to
a lot of clouds from southern California and stretching down through the southwest and stretching down the Gulf states down to the southeastern states, and a batch of clouds from northern North Carolina down for Virginia and stretching down for the Atlantic coastline here. Batch of clouds from northern portions of New Brunswick down to Atlantic Canada here. Batch of clouds from western Pennsylvania down for New York State and stretching down for eastern Ohio down for West Virginia and stretching down off the eastern coast of Michigan and western coast of Michigan from Lake Michigan and down for Lake Superior. Batch of clouds from northern Ontario down for northern UP Michigan down for northern Minnesota down for Dakota down for northern Wyoming and up into Montana and down for northern Idaho down for eastern Washington and stretching down for southeastern portions of British Columbia down for the southern and northern Alberta down for Saskatchewan down for Manitoba down for northern Ontario here. Okay, let us take a look at our map situation here, and it shows
She says the kill list was written by a 12-year-old girl.
high pressure centered in eastern portions of Washington, eastern portions of Kansas, and eastern portions of Ontario. Low pressure centered in Pennsylvania here.
One day. Now this mom is outraged over
Station front from southern Montana down for Wyoming and down for Colorado down for New Mexico, and cold front from southern New Mexico down for northern Mexico down for southern Texas. Stretching down in Gulf states and stretching down to the Georgia down for the Carolinas and down for the Virginia and down to the Pennsylvania here. Front of boundary in north central UP of Michigan down for Michigan and down for southern Ontario down for southwestern portion of New York. Front of boundary from eastern New York down for New England and stretching down for western tip of Nova Scotia. Front of boundary from southwestern portion of British Columbia down for the Pacific coastline and stretching it down for central coast of California here. And another cold front stretching out to sea.
They haven't been provided any services.
It's 14 degrees out temperature right now here in Boston. It's 19 out in Washington, D.C., 27 out in Atlanta, 64 in Miami, 66 in Brownsville, 28 in Dallas, 10 in Kansas City, 1 above in Chicago, 7 below in Minneapolis, 23 out in Albuquerque, 13 out in Denver, 32 in Salt Lake City, 35 out in Great Falls, pair 61 in San Francisco and Los Angeles, and 44 in Seattle here. Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion here. Rare ice and snow expected along the upper Texas coast and continuing reinforcements of Arctic air into the north. The polar jet stream will continue to deeply in the United States during the next few days, triggering more like if it snows a bit of cold across much of central east parts of the nation. A wave of low pressure along the cold front is currently set into the 7 states expected to spread a rare coat of ice across southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana all the way to the upper Texas coast. And snow is expected far inland just south of the Latex, the west will remain protected by a strong upper ridge of high pressure with dry mild conditions all but the valleys of the Great Basin and northern Intermountain region where temperature variations will keep it chill. Alright, let's take a look at our
Facebook page. Pearson works in this special education
forecast discussion page. Arctic cold temperatures and dry conditions continue on Friday, but beginning Friday night, conditions begin to moderate towards seasonal levels as a cold front brings snow showers on Saturday, followed by another surge of Arctic air. A fast-moving Alberta Clipper brings light snow Sunday night and Monday, followed by more chilly air. 6:30 p.m. update. Cold and dry air. Pressure still present, but slowly a few patches of clouds, mainly southern New Hampshire and northern interior Massachusetts. No significant changes to the forecast. Forecast lows range from the single digit to several degrees below zero, combined with breezy west-northwest flow will yield wind chill values between 10 to 20 degrees below zero. Do not believe clouds will be meant to concern with surface high pressure building from the west, long for the increase in subsidence as a positively tilted throw accessed by vapor. Water vapor satellite slowly sweeps across the northeast corners. Anticipating clearing conditions across the interior towards Warden and ocean stratus hanging out over the waters. Will hoist the wind chill advisories across Massachusetts where wind chill values are below 15 degrees below zero expected. Wind chill values for the most part will remain for about 15 degrees below zero across Connecticut and about 20 degrees below threshold for New Hampshire. Alright, let's take a look at us. School bus forecast. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's going to be 4 above zero with wind chill 11 below zero. And 2 p.m. will be 14 degrees with a wind chill of 0. So, kids are going to do the bundle up trick. Bundle up very well and dress warmly before you board on the bus to wait in the bus stop. Dress warmly because it's going to be another frigid day in town. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. While you're sleeping the overnight hours of the night, it is going to be most of the coast guard low around 3 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 7 below. West wind about 7 miles per hour. Friday, Saints got high near 14 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 8 below. West wind about 7 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, increase of clouds with a low around 10 degrees. South wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Saturday, snow showers likely mainly between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Cloud skies will high near 35 degrees. Southwest wind about 10 to 17 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New snow accumulation less than 1 inch possible. Saturday night at chance of snow showers. Mainly before 9 p.m. Most of the clouds got low and 14 degrees. West wind about 11 to 13 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And for Sunday, most of the skies got high near 22 degrees. Sunday night at chance of snow showers after 11 p.m. Most of the skies got low and 18 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Monday at chance of snow showers. Most of the skies got high near 36 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Monday night, podcast got low and 7 degrees. Tuesday, Saints got high near 19 degrees. Tuesday night, podcast got low and 8 degrees. Wednesday, both the Saints got high near 23 degrees. Wednesday night, podcast got low and 12 degrees. And for Thursday, most of the Saints got high near 27 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the night. Another frigid night on tap and another chilly morning on tap tomorrow. That's PJ Wednesday. You have a good night with a good present out there. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. because I'm going to Boston. Have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. See you in the morning here.